Following the damage to the Kabale-Kisoro Road, where sections collapsed after heavy rains hit the area, Alison Abenawe, the Kabale station manager of the Uganda National Roads Authority, gave a commitment that the road will be fixed with urgency since it's a major highway leading to Rwanda, Burundi and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Abenawe pledged that the repair works will take approximately 3 weeks, provided all motorists diverted to leave the damaged road and use alternative routes. Now, some people are faulting UNRA for not delivering on its pledge as they called for a sustainable solution.
This time we are supposed to have had a fresh construction of the road because it is known the period which is granted for such road is supposed to be 3 years and 2 years for repairs. And now we are in the 14th year since the construction. So I will not blame those who constructed, but I will just go back to us as a country to invest much more in what can take longer for sustainable for a quiet period of time.
My prayer it is to give us good work that we always see maybe somewhere.
UNRA advised motorists to use the 88-kilometer Kabale-Kisoro Road or the 20-kilometer Kabale-Lake Bunyonyi-Kachwekano-Kugarama-Haisesero route to access Kisoro District and beyond. Subsequently, UNRA closed the road to traffic to facilitate effective repair works. However, shortly after, the State Minister for Works, Musa Echweru, directed UNRA to reopen the road for essential traffic, particularly for trucks transporting goods to the eastern DRC and Rwanda. Following the minister's directive, motorists abandoned the suggested alternative routes and assumed using the road that was under repair. It has become evident that UNRA still has significant amount of work to do to complete the road repairs. The initial 3-week period to have the repairs complete passed with little visible progress. Alan Sempewa, the UNRA spokesperson, confirmed in a phone interview with our reporter that some of the equipment had indeed broken down. He, however, gave reassurance that the repairs were ongoing, although he did not provide a specific timeline when the road will fully be functional again.
About 3 weeks being enough, it is about what happens during that period of time. Because you see, when we are giving these timelines, we talk about if weather remains favorable, if all other conditions remain favorable, just an anticipated time of completion. Is not, we're not saying exactly that's what is going to happen. We say we anticipate to be complete, to be done with these works within this period of time. But during that time, anything can actually happen that can delay the works. Like I told you, weather and also having to work on our equipment.
Stephen Kasiaba, the Rubanda District chairperson, emphasized that the ongoing works must include an efficient drainage system to ensure that water flows freely and does not destroy the road again.
This road, right off from Kabale to Kisoro, the drainage system of this road is very poor. There is no drainage. The maintenance is not there. Because, I mean, where you have seen, where is the passage for water? The drainage system was not properly constructed. That's what, when they are working on maintaining this road, they must think about the drainage system of this road up to Kisoro.
The Kigezi sub-region was severely impacted by the recent landslides and floods caused by heavy rains at the beginning of May 2023. The floods and mudslides left over 23 people dead, scores injured, rendered most roads impassable, and caused significant damage to property worth millions of shillings.